The Man Cub. It was a quiet evening in the jungle. Father Wolf had just woken up, and Mother Wolf was lying with her 4 cubs in their cave. Suddenly, they heard the tiger's angry roar. "I wonder what has made him so angry," said Mother Wolf. They walked up to the mouth of the cave. Suddenly, a tiny human baby crawled out of the bushes. "A man's cub," said Father Wolf. "Oh, how little he is," said Mother Wolf. The baby looked up at them and laughed. "Sher Khan must be after the man cub. Let's take him inside before he gets here," said Mother Wolf. Inside the cave, the baby crawled between the sleeping wolf cubs and lay down. Just then, Sher Khan reached the cave. "What do you need, Sher Khan?" asked Father Wolf, walking towards Sher Khan with angry eyes. "A man's cub came this way," said Sher Khan. "Give him to me. The man's cub is ours now," said Father Wolf. The tiger roared in anger. Mother Wolf leaped forward and stood in front of Sher Khan. "The man's cub will live with our pack. You cannot kill him. Go away." Sher Khan growled, turned around and left. Father Wolf said, "The cub must be shown to the pack. Only they can tell us if he can live with us." Mother Wolf said, smiling at the baby, "Let's call him Mowgli." The baby smiled back at her. That night, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. Baloo, the brown bear, and Bagheera, the wise panther, were also there. Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center. Baby Mowgli laughed and began to play with rocks. The leader of the wolf pack asked, "Should the man cub stay with us?" Baloo said, "Yes, I will teach him all about the jungle." Then Bagheera spoke, "Yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack." The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera, and that is how Mowgli became a part of the wolf family.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain you Chapter 6, The Man Cub of your English literature book. This chapter is taken from a storybook called The Jungle Book. First, I'll introduce you with the characters of the story. Also, I'll be telling you about the special qualities of these characters. The first characters are of Father Wolf and Mother Wolf. They both are Mowgli's new parents. Wolves are very protective about their children. They are among the largest member of the dog family. Second character is of Baloo. Baloo is a brown bear. Bears have excellent senses of smell, sight, and hearing. They eat many things like fruits, meat, and fish. But they also like honey. Third character is of Bagheera. Bagheera is a black panther, as you can see in this picture. Panthers are great swimmers and can climb on trees too. Panthers are very quick and strong. Fourth character and the last character is of Sher Khan. Sher Khan is a tiger. Tigers usually hunt alone in the night. They are also good swimmers. They belong to the cat family. So now let's start with the explanation of the chapter. So students, what happens in the beginning, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf and their 4 cubs are resting in their cave in the jungle. So what is a cave? a cave is like this, okay? In Hindi we call it gufa. And you can see there is an opening from where entry can be made, from where you can enter the cave. So that opening is called as mouth of the cave, okay? And what are cubs? Cubs are the baby animals of wolves, okay? So what happens? Father wolf, mother wolf and their 4 cubs, they are resting in their cave in the jungle. When they hear Shere Khan's roar. Now what is a roar? Roar is a loud sound made by lions and tigers. So Shere Khan roared loudly, okay? And on hearing that roar, father wolf and mother wolf, they walk up to the mouth of the cave, okay? That is, they walk outside the cave to see what has made Shere Khan so angry. So outside the cave, they see a tiny human baby. Tiny means very small, okay? So the baby, he stands up holding a branch, looks at the wolves and laughs. Okay, on seeing father wolf and mother wolf, the baby starts laughing. The wolves know that the tiger is after the baby. Okay, so when father wolf and mother wolf, they see the human baby, they know that why Shere Khan is so angry. The Shere Khan is so angry because he is not able to find the human baby as he wants to eat it. Okay. So in order to protect the baby, father wolf and mother wolf takes the baby inside the cave. Okay, you can see in the picture how father wolf is taking the baby inside the cave. Soon Shere Khan reaches their cave looking for the baby. When Shere Khan reaches the cave, he asks that father wolf, have you seen the human baby? And if you have seen it, if you are having the human baby, give it to me. I will eat that baby. But the wolves, that is the father wolf and the mother wolf, they refuse to give up the baby. And they ask the tiger to go away. What happens when Shere Khan asks that if you have seen the human baby, give it to me? So then the wolves say, see, we are having the baby, but we are not going to give it to you. Okay, so Shere Khan, you must go away. So Shere Khan, he goes away after listening to father wolf. Okay, after seeing that father wolf and mother wolf, they are not going to give the baby, and they are very firm on their decision. So after listening to this, Shere Khan, he goes away. Now, what happens next? Shere Khan growled. Students, one sentence is there in your book. Shere Khan growled. Growled means he made a low sound to show anger, as he knew that father wolf and mother wolf, they are not ready to give the baby. So he is very angry, and in order to show his anger, he growled, and after then he left. Okay. Father wolf and mother wolf, they had a talk after that. Okay, so mother wolf wants to keep the baby. She names him Mowgli. After that, father wolf says to mother wolf that they must show Mowgli to the pack. Now what is pack here? See children, group of wolves, okay? Group of wolves is called as pack. So Father Wolf says that the human baby, that is Mowgli, must be shown to the pack. And the members of that pack will decide if Mowgli can stay with the wolf family or not. At the pack meeting, Bagheera, the Black Panther, and Balu, the brown bear, support this decision. So it is decided that Mowgli will be a member of the wolf family and will stay in the jungle. So what happens when Father Wolf asks this question, that whether this human baby, that is Mowgli, should stay in the jungle or not? So Balu the bear, he said yes. Everyone says yes, and Mowgli becomes a part of the wolf family. Okay? Students, the story is set in a jungle. In the story, the animals talk and have emotions like humans. But we also notice the difference between the human world and the animals' world. That's why the decision to include Mowgli in their lives is taken by all the wolves of the jungle. And Mowgli must learn the ways of the jungle. Okay? Mowgli is a little boy who has lost his parents, but he is too young to realize that he is lost. He seems like a happy child and immediately wins over the wolf family. So this was a story of Mowgli and how he becomes a part of the wolf family. I hope you enjoyed the story, students. Thank you.